We discuss soil in the context of factors that affect a building's foundation. That's what we call the safe bearing capacity. Many factors can affect this safe bearing capacity. That is, if the moisture content changes, it will affect it. If the temperature changes, that will also affect it. Similarly, the soil water table, that is, the height of the groundwater below, can sometimes rise unexpectedly. That means when it rises up to the foundation or the footing, it will cause issues. All these are factors that affect it, but the one that impacts it the fastest is uplift. This uplift